In the countdown, T-minus 1 minute, 54 seconds and counting. We are go for Apollo 11. Good luck and Godspeed. It's been a real smooth countdown. T-minus 60 seconds and counting. Feels good. 20 seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. Tower cleared.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Tranquility, we copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot.